How many phone numbers do you remember? Your own? Maybe your partner's? What about the plumber's van you saw yesterday? Can you remember his phone number? Maybe not. Can you remember his website? Most plumbers spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of pounds every month on lead generation, competing against other companies, competing on price, fighting for the same customers. 5 quotes, 10 quotes, race to the bottom, cheapest wins. So, someone spots your van in traffic and think, I need a new boiler. They're not supposed to be snapping photos, right? They're not jotting down phone numbers, and honestly, they may not trawl through comparison sites either. They want a brand they trust and remember. But here's the thing, they'll remember a word. People remember words, people remember brands. But let's face it, they may not remember random numbers. One boiler installation could be worth over £1,000 in profit. One bathroom installation, that could be worth several £1,000s. And, just one new customer could easily recoup this marketing package. That's what we like to call One Lead Payback. You're not just buying a registration plate, you're buying memorability, you're buying visibility, you're buying branding, you're buying the chance to actually be remembered, because your next customer could be right behind you. Word plates, unique business registration plates, built for those that want to be remembered.